Hey y'all.
Mom,
So this is
where
me
my
and Lonnie's
magic?
food. Let me show y'all.
Mom,
It's right here.
right there?
Yeah. Lonnie's food. She got chicken and I got shrimp.
I need shrimp. I need my shrimp.
This is mine. You
No.
got chicken.
Where my shrimp?
Y'all, I guess she wanted chicken and shrimp. I asked her if she wanted shrimp. She told me no. But
My shrimp.
we're gonna do like a little mukbang.
The child shrimp.
Give my shrimp. Mommy, put it.
Yes.
Yeah, baby girl is asleep.
And then I'll also have the steak and shrimp.
Tilly asleep. Girls
And then I will
day.
have the steak and shrimp with the steak medium rare.
This is good.
No. I'll have a root beer and a Sprite.
Look at Lonnie.
And then
y'all.
that's all.
She really be eating. I feel like just because she's so little,
I love
the big girl. What's your name?
I'm Nanny.
How old are you? 2. When your birthday?
Birthday. I'm about to.
Good job, big girl.
When your birthday?
Mine's November 20th.
No, my birthday is 20 and April 20.
Good job, yup. April
What's the
20th, my
baby
baby be
birthday?
3 years old.
What's the baby birthday?
Color your birthday?
Cool. Look up.
October 5th.
My foot. Mom, you see that? You see that? Mom,
One
get
person
my
more
bathroom. Huh? What is that?
Huh?
What is that?